Catherine Bernardo update. Yun sa post ng Ivy Clinic. Yan pa nga yung outfit ni Catherine na nag-grocery siya sa Landers. And Ivy Story Time with Catherine Bernardo. Ito yung video.
Hola, it's me again. So quick Ivy day for me. It's my free day today, so I worked out and then I went to the grocery and then I called Ivy. I told them daan na ako for my Star Bright treatment since I am preparing for my look test and then we'll be shooting very soon for my new movie, so I have to make sure that my skin is ready. So that's it for today. It's my free day and I ended my day from here in my favorite place, which is Ivy Vertis. So I will see you again next week just to keep you guys updated. That's my quick chika and I'll see you again for my next visit. Mwah. Goodbye. So then, balik ako Thursday. Masunurin. Hindi nga dapat sa Ivy masunurin. Bumalik ako Thursday. Bye, Bye. Sila yung mga birthday girls. Goodbye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell kung may update. Ito po ang Pure Reaction Vlog. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.